Tap Air Portugal, Faro to Lisbon. I just flew a quick leg on Tap Air Portugal from Faro, Portugal to Lisbon, so it was a quick puddle jump. I flew in economy class and was pleasantly surprised at how comfortable it was. The plane was an Airbus 320neo. Maybe my experience was colored by the fact that the plane was mostly empty, but there seemed to be more than normal leg space for economy class. I had seen a review on the airline from another customer complaining of the leg space, so I was pleased it wasn't an issue for me. From my seat, I could look into the first class section, and the seats didn't appear to be any better. I think the only difference is that they don't book people in the middle seats and offer a beverage. The overhead bin space was deep, so there was no problem with luggage. There was a seat pocket in front of you to store a few items, and plenty of space to store a bag underneath the seat in front of you. There was an electronic outlet with a USB port and international outlet. On the seat back was a little pocket to put a tablet and a hinge hook to secure it. The tray table was the standard flip-down kind, which I prefer over those that are housed in the armrest. There was also an adjustable headrest that folded inward. My only complaint is that I paid a few dollars extra for an assigned seat. Clearly this was unnecessary since the plane was so empty. If you look towards the very back of this image, that is where all the other passengers were who didn't pay extra for a seat assignment. They sat at the very back of the plane but could easily have spread out. All in all, it was an effortless flight, and I would be happy to fly them again. If you've had a different experience on Tap Air, please share in the comments section. We'd love to hear from you. And check out the Senior Solo Travel website and Facebook forum where you can interact with other travelers. I have left links in the description below. And if you'd like to follow my senior and solo travel journeys, please like and subscribe. Cheers!